It's got an error code I can't clear. Spare radio. That's net. Kilowatt 4, Alpha Romeo X-ray, portable QRP. GMRS. $220 megahertz. All right. Now we're doing dual video. This video is going to be for, is it winter heat? It's not really a contest, but it's a kind of a simplex. I don't know what you call it. I've got a phone on that side. Right over there, it's recording the train. It's going by right behind that camera. So you can watch that on the other channel. I think it's under the same name. There's a lot of railroad videos over there. It just so happens as I sat down, CSX come through with a load of tankers. And it might be that same load that they brought earlier with Canadian Northern, molten sulfur. I guess they're pulling the empties back north again, headed by CSX. It might be trailed by CN again. So that was kind of an opportune moment. But here shortly, I'm going to work W4MAF for winter heat portable. Get him some contacts. Yep, here comes the tail end of that train. CSX number 751. It took about 4 minutes to get that train through here. Let's let that video run out just a little bit, a few more seconds.